What's up, y'all? I'm gonna freaking get this working. I swear. It's gonna happen. How? Okay, let's get this connection going. Let's wake it up. Um, yeah, I don't know. Okay, anyways. I should be streaming right now, all things considered. Let's find out. Wow. Alright, I'm actually streaming. Here we go. I think it's working. I need to close every app ever existing on my entire computer at this point, and I think I'll be good to go. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be trying to rip apart this Galaxy S7 Edge live, and hopefully I don't lose all of my frames while I'm doing it. We'll find out. Yeah, I don't know. I guess to start this, I'm supposed to use a heat gun. All right. Okay, yeah, I have enough space to store all of that. I've got this little spudger here that I don't think is going to help much. I've got this spudger here that I think might do a little damage to the phone. And yeah, those are the ones that I have. So those are what we're using. I sorry guys. I didn't say this was going to be professional. Okay. Let's do this. Did I plug this in? Oh, there's a power switch on the back. Duh. That might do it. Okay, turn the iron off. Turn this heat thing on. I don't know what's a good temperature to do the All right, let's find out. What temperature to use heat gun on Galaxy S7 Edge back glass? 80 Celsius to 100 Celsius. Alright, I need to turn mine way down then. Mine only goes to 100, so I think we're in Celsius. Oh yeah, we're in Celsius. We must be. Getting pretty warm. Alright, so I heard you just go around the edge with it. I'm gonna start at one corner here and try to get a pick in. Because, I mean, that's what I heard to do. This thing is already basically completely dead. Oh, I wanted to plug in a charger first and see if it actually worked, but I guess it can't hurt to go ahead and get a pick in now first. Alright, let me see if that does anything. Think I need to keep it closer for longer, maybe? I don't think this is gonna get in there enough, to be honest. No, I feel like I'll do more damage with that than the other thing. Oh, here we go. I got it in there. Aha! Aha! There we go. Slid that bad boy in there. See that? That's in there if I've ever seen it. Yeah, I did definitely loosen this corner way more than anything else because I'm able to get that off really easily. All right, cool, cool. I'm in. That's step one right there. Step one of seeing what's wrong with this thing. Probably multiple things came unplugged when it fell down the freaking stairs. Oh my gosh. That's yeah, that was something. Okay, back to the heat gun. You know what? I feel like turning on the camera for you guys. What's up? That's right. I had a camera this whole time waiting to go. So I'm just crazy like that. I didn't even have it on at first. I was like, yeah, they don't need to see my face at first. I'll leave that as a surprise. Okay, let's see how much I've gotten this. I feel like I should have gotten it a little with this. Wonder if I can get this spudger in here now. Just slide past there. Let me get this in right here. And then I can slide it in. Yep. Aha. Oh yeah. Easy. It's like cutting a pie. Oh. Oh. Oh no, that part was already broken from when I dropped it. It's already shattered, so that wasn't gonna come off clean. It actually came off cleaner than I thought it would though. So there's that. You can see some of the adhesive kind of coming out a little. Very interesting. So I'm going to slide this over to this corner now, as far as I can without kind of feeling like I'm gonna break anything. And yeah. Go back to heating it. Make sure I'm not heating this up. All right. This is mainly like a test stream. I'm trying to see about streaming on my new channel, which is mostly going to be about tech stuff like this. And I just want to see like how making content goes, you know. I want to just test it on here on my personal channel because this is just like where I just post my random stuff, you know, like that nobody really needs to care about, you know. Hmm. Glue is strong. I need to. Glue is like still on there. So yeah, I'm going at this at 100 degrees Celsius, and that's doing the job so far. I'm gonna see if I can't get the plastic spudger in here. If that helps this part come loose a little easier, a little more smoothly. Okay, just slide this in. There we go. Now if I can get this in here, maybe. Yeah. I'll take this out. Slide this in there. Slide this in there. Okay. I'm kind of getting into practice here. This is my first time I've ever done anything like this. Like I've never had to remove adhesive to get like to the inside of something like this. Like I unscrewed to get to the back inside of my girlfriend's old MacBook 2015 MacBook Pro and replace the battery on that, and I did have to use isopropyl alcohol to get the adhesive off the back of the battery, keeping it in the laptop. But I also had to pry to get that out a little bit, but I didn't damage the battery. Don't worry, guys. And I made sure it was completely discharged before I did it. But that was fun. But I didn't have to do this to get inside of it. This is a little more nerve-wracking because if I do break the back, then, well, that's not going to be fun. Alright. See if I can't use this. Oh, yeah. Clean. Anybody needing a new phone repair guru? And I'm cutting it when I do this with the metal piece. That's what that's doing. actually making sure that it's completely cut loose. This should just be a couple seconds of this. Oh yeah, the frames have definitely evened out a little. Hopefully I don't jinx it. Alright, that should be enough, I hope. Alright. Come free! Why is it still stuck on there? In the middle. Am I missing something? Nope, it's just more glue. Melt that crap. Alright, there we go. We're in. We're in, baby. Oh, I was kind of smacking at the battery a little bit there. Hopefully I don't think I peeled past that casing. But that's not very great. It's fine though. Okay. See, look what I did here. You can see the shininess, but it's not actually on into it. So I'd say we're good, right? Hmm. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Toss this over to the side. It's a bunch of screws here holding down the wireless charging pad, and that's over the battery, which has to be over the cord to the screen. So first thing to remove is the wireless charging pad, I'd say. I need a tiny Phillips. Go get my tiny Phillips. All right. What size of a Phillips do I think we need? These look like 2s to me. We're going for the 2. See if that works. I don't know. I'm thinking I will start at the most obvious screw that is holding it down, which is this one. Okay, that's magnetic. This looks like it's holding it down. Go for that one too. This might be holding it down. I don't know. Nobody knows. I should just take out all the screws I can see because they're probably all holding it down secretly. Yeah, whatever. You can't see it. Trying to get the best view. See if I can get the best view. Luckily, all these screws seem to be the same length at least, so they're not pulling an apple on me so far. I can just hold the phone while I do it. That makes it a little more visible for you. Get out. Guess I just gotta rip the screw out with my bare hands. Like a caveman. Well, it's nice of them to put this little convenient grabby doodad. Well, that's what I thought it was. On the wireless charging pad for me to grab it by. Is this thing freaking... Oh. Oh, the whole thing comes up. Okay. Think I gotta unscrew every screw I see. This is what I'm getting the idea of. Why do I feel magnetic right now? Oh, maybe not though. Just unscrew it all, man. Frick it. Get out of there. I gotta tweezer this one. There we go. Dang, that one was in there. What does it have, like thread locker on it? Just take it all out. Just frick it all. Who cares if I needed to remove it all or not? Oh wow, I did not need to remove it all. Hold up. Oh. Did I just break some plastic? I didn't like that noise. Oh, I didn't break it. I just pulled it up out of the... Oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. Wait, stick this back down. I don't think I'm supposed to rip that up. Probably. I feel like I am supposed to be taking the plastic out as well. Around everything. So keep taking screws out. There's still 2 more screws, 3 more screws. 3 more screws, and then I think I can get this out. Four more screws. Now 3. Oops. Okay. Let's hope this worked. Oh. Let me look in here. What am I ripping off? Plastic. I start from this side too. Okay, yeah, here we go. Rip it out from this side. See what I'm ripping out. Okay, yeah. This just looks like a massive wireless charging circuit, I hope. And this is like a heat sink, I think. Yeah, I think I'm safe. I don't think I'm breaking anything by doing this. I hope. I hope not. That would be very bad. Imagine I just like broke the whole freaking phone by grabbing it like this. It doesn't look like I did. It's like these are two different things right here. I'm too baby to pull it apart. Aha! I mean, yeah, it looks separate. The only thing confusing me is the speaker. Hopefully I didn't do something to that. I wonder if the guy on his teardown video does that. S7 edge teardown. Let's see here. Oh no, he doesn't do that. Oh wait, yes he does. Wait, he has it out as a separate piece. How did he get it out as a separate piece? Oh no. He unplugged. He unplugged it from those. Well, it looks like mine just came unplugged by itself. Is it even a plug? To me, it just looks like it's just two metal little contacts. Yeah. To know that it's connected or to give it like speaker or whatever. Is that how the speakers work or something? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm good. I'm gonna just throw this off to the side, the wireless charging slash whatever. Alright, I'll unplug the battery. And so I heard the power button can be the issue, but I imagine mine might be the screen connection. I don't know where the screen connection is though. Oh my gosh, I see it. I see my loose connection. Oh, wait, is that really it? Is that what this is broken because of? I see the loose connection in here. This was disconnected and I never touched it before I started. Right here. I could swore I never disconnected this. Right here at the top. Is that the display cable? Where's the display cable? Display cable connection location S7 edge. Motherboard. Alongside the battery, power, and volume button cables. Okay, well, what's this top connector? I need to see the top connector. I need to see what they do with that connector. They always tell you what every connector is when they ask you to disconnect it. So the display cable is the one on the side. What's the one at the top? Front-facing sensory array cables. So this is like some of my front-facing cables, sensory cables. Like my face, front face. I'll go ahead and disconnect the screen and reconnect it while I'm here. And so he said disconnect the power button. Reconnect the battery. Alright, so we will see if this charges now. God only knows. I'm gonna go get a portable charger that has a voltage display on it so you guys can see what is happening live. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, baby. I had to locate this charger. Alright, this will show us the exact voltage that is going on out of this charger, which is great for letting us know if anything is actually happening. So let's see. Is anything actually going to happen? Zero watts. Is this connecting? I think my case might be a little bent from when it fell. Is that why it's not working? Could it be as simple as spinning it back? Let me disconnect the battery. Well, actually first. Yeah, this is not even realizing. Oh! Wait, it's putting out some wattage. It's gotta be connected just right. Did it work for a second, or am I crazy? It definitely put out wattage. Oh, it did again for a sec. It's really freaking iffy about it. Hmm. Every time I flip it over, it freaking stops charging. I push it in a little, it'll go up to 2.5 watts charging, and I flip it over, and it stops charging. So to me, that seems like a Seems like a charger port issue. I just pushed it in way harder and it actually did start charging again. There's still no display. Oh, I saw the display for a moment. I saw a glitched out display. You guys saw that, right? I'm not crazy. There was light on my screen. That's more than I've ever been used to before. Maybe it was that. Oh, it's pushing out 4.6 watts now. $5.2 watts. It's charging. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. Do something. I'm not seeing anything anymore after that first flash. Oh! 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 Yo! It's coming to life! This is the first time I've seen anything on this thing's screen in so long. What the? Was the power button the problem? Because I dropped it and it bent it? Someone said that could have been the issue online. And honestly, looking at it, the frame does look kind of bent there. Like it could think the power button is being held constantly. Wow. It's charging. I got a red light. That's more than I've gotten in so long. Guys, we did it. We fixed it. 1%. It's at 1%, yo. Let's go. Okay, well the charging port is still broken, so I can't be that happy yet. All right, battery is warming up, but not like dangerously, so that's cool. I think next step might be to replace the freaking charging thing on this if I can. I could just wirelessly charge it as long as that still works. Oh, oh, we're fast charging. 14 watts. Yeah, baby. Hold up. I don't want to ruin this. Let me just leave it how it is. Stay just like that. Don't move a muscle. Oh my gosh. How can I make this focus down here? It was focused down here before, but whatever. I think it's this thing causing it not to focus. Anyways, it's fast charging now. I'm very happy. I think that's gonna do it for this stream. We fixed the freaking phone as much as I needed to for now. I don't know how to fully fix the power button except for just replacing it. That's what I was reading online. Or you can bend the frame back, but either way, right now I just want to charge the phone up and just like test it and see what's going on. Of course, I can't use the phone without a freaking power button. I mean, I can, since it has the physical home button, I can turn on the screen without the power button, and I can turn it on by putting it on the charger technically, but like, well, no, you have to, I don't know if the phone automatically turns itself on once it charges up to a certain amount or not, so that would be a question to ask. Yeah. 2%. I would try to turn this on, but this has all my personal apps on it from school and stuff, and from work and stuff back in high school. So I feel like that's a bad idea because I'm gonna get a bunch of notifications and stuff probably. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's connected to this Wi-Fi, but I might even have notifications on there from when it was last shut off, just saved. So I'm just gonna let it charge for a while, and I might do like an episode 2 where I try to like diagnose it a little more and stuff like that. But I think for a blind disassembly, we've gone far enough. This disassembly was pretty darn blind, if you ask me. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. This has been really fun, actually. So, yeah, peace, y'all.